Are you looking for the best upholstery cleaner? Upholstery cleaners are essential tools for keeping cars, homes, and pet spaces free of stains, spills, and odors. Portable handheld models offer convenient spot cleaning, while compact multi-purpose cleaners tackle larger areas without committing to full-size machines. In this comparison, I evaluated 5 models from Bissell, Hoover, Shark, and Dirt Devil.
Product number 1. Bissell Little Green Mini. The Little Green Mini is Bissell's entry in the ultra-compact, all-purpose portable cleaner category. It carries Bissell's Pet Foundation messaging and ships with a 4-inch tough stain tool, Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose tool, and 8 ounces of Bissell Little Green formula. Its 16-ounce capacity and 7-pound weight make it highly maneuverable for car interiors, tight upholstery, and pet beds. The form factor emphasizes quick response to spills and spot cleaning, with a corded design that keeps performance steady without battery limitations. This model is designed to be stored easily in small spaces, which is a practical advantage for vehicles and apartments. In real-world use, the Little Green Mini shines with fast setup, compact storage, and reliable suction for light to moderate stains. The included Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose tool helps maintain hygiene after messy jobs, reducing post-cleaning maintenance. Its 16-ounce capacity means more frequent refills for larger messes, but the device remains comfortable to hold and operate for extended sessions. The 4-inch tough stain tool is effective on standard pet accidents and beverage spills, though deeply set stains may require multiple passes or a stronger solution. Overall, it's a solid budget.
Product number 2. Shark Stain Striker Portable. The Shark Stain Striker positions itself as a more capable, multi-tool handheld cleaner with a robust accessory set, including 3 stain tools, 3-inch, 7-inch, and 16-inch XL, a pet mess extractor, and 2 cleaning formulas, Deep Clean Pro and Oxy Multiplier. It touts dual-activated cleaning solutions that mix inside the device to boost stain-fighting power and odor removal, aiming at households with pets and frequent spills. Weighing under 9 pounds with a 2-liter capacity, it's designed for both car interiors and whole home use, while the included XL tool expands reach for larger surface areas. Performance-wise, Shark emphasizes strong suction and deep cleaning capability, aided by its dual-activated formula that claims up to 20x stain-striking power when using Shark solutions. The design supports versatile applications from car seats to area rugs, and the pet odor removal claims are reinforced by a dedicated pet mess extractor. The 32-ounce solution offering reduces refill frequency, and the varied tool lineup enables targeting trouble spots, crevices, and larger surfaces. In practice,
Product number 3. Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner. Dirt Devil's offering occupies the budget to mid-tier space with a compact footprint and a 19-ounce tank capacity. It ships with a 2-in-1 pet tool, a 4-inch stain tool, and a kink-free hose designed for extended reach, aiming to simplify quick spot cleans on stairs, upholstery, and cars. Despite its lower price point, it emphasizes a full set of tools and reusability for ongoing maintenance of high-traffic areas. The unit's portability and simple maintenance are strong selling points for renters and small households. In use, the Dirt Devil demonstrates solid suction and practical tool versatility for small messes, though it may fall short on deeply set stains or very large areas due to its smaller capacity and limited cleaning power relative to larger portable units. The built-in hose rinse and removable lid simplify post-cleaning maintenance, which is a plus for frequent users. The 11.2-pound weight is manageable, but heavier than the lightest models, and the absence of a
Product number 4. Bissell Little Green Max. The Little Green Max Pet is the higher-end mini from Bissell, offering 30% more suction than a typical portable cleaner, a self-cleaning tough stain tool, and a dedicated pet hair removal tool. It uses a 2-tank system to keep clean and dirty water separate, and it supports longer hose and cord lengths to reach awkward spots. The kit includes a trial-sized Bissell Pet Pro Oxy formula with urine eliminator and stain protect technology for future stain resistance, making it a strong option for households with pets and frequent accidents. In performance, the Little Green Max Pet excels on pet-related messes and sticky residues thanks to stronger suction and the dedicated pet-focused formula. The self-cleaning tool reduces maintenance overhead,
and the extended hose reach improves access in vehicles and upholstery. The trade-offs include a higher price point within the mini category and the need to use Bissell cleaning solutions to maximize stain protection and odor control.
Product number 5. Hoover Clean Slate Plus. Hoover's Clean Slate Plus sits near the upper end of portable spot cleaners with a 1.18-liter, approximately 40-ounce capacity and a dual tank system for clean versus dirty water. It ships with a 7-inch wide path tool for quick coverage and a tight spot crevice tool for narrow spaces, plus a hose rinse to purge the system after use. The bundle includes Hoover's Trial Oxy cleaning solution, presenting a solid value proposition for users already invested in the Hoover ecosystem or those seeking a larger capacity portable for frequent messes in cars and upholstery. In use, the Hoover Clean Slate Plus offers strong, consistent suction and effective targeting of larger areas with the wide path tool, while Tight Spot handles tight corners. The dual tank design simplifies refilling and emptying, and the hose rinse feature supports quick maintenance. The main caveat is the absence of explicit self-cleaning tooling, which means ongoing congestion